aberration, fringing that ain't right. Chromatic aberration separates the light. Like a prism action passing through a lens. Product of refraction, how each wavelength bends. When you see in color where it don't belong, how you suffer. Chromatic aberration done you wrong. Chromatic aberration, contrast makes it known. Might be used on purpose, pulls a retro tone. Choice of lenses matters, use high quality to fix light when it scatters. Might need 2 or 3. When rainbow fringes are where they don't belong, how you suffer. Chromatic aberration done you wrong. Chromatic aberration, also in the eyes. All the different wavelengths, different focal size. Certain colors blurry, especially violet blue. Mental compensation, composition too. When certain colors just never focus strong, how you suffer. Chromatic aberration done you wrong.